Hi, welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in the 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 is right here under the hood, and it's really pretty easy to get to. But like most modern vehicles, this thing has a lot of electronics on it, and so for that reason, we're always going to recommend that you check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure that you've got everything you need, you're familiar with the project, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Let's get started. We're using a memory saver in order to keep the computer's memories alive while we're replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the battery monitor's connector by pressing the tab at the rear of the connector and removing it. Then loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Next, remove the cover for the positive battery terminal and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. You'll need your 10mm wrench again for that. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to loosen and remove the fastener for the battery hold-down clamp. You'll need your 10mm wrench for that. And remove the fastener and the hold-down clamp. And now we can carefully remove the battery's heat shield and the old battery. And then install the new battery and the heat shield. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and retighten the fastener. It's always a good idea to clean up the corrosion on the battery terminals. And the battery cable. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. And finally, reinstall the battery monitor's connector, remove the memory saver, and we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the battery management system of the vehicle. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in this video's description below.